Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to scientists at the University of Göttingen have just captured the first complete three-dimensional image of a molecule's quantum wave function, one of the most fundamental yet invisible features of quantum mechanics. Using advanced photoelectron spectroscopy paired with newly designed algorithms, the team reconstructed the molecular orbital of a nanometer-sized organic molecule in striking detail, resolving features smaller than the spacing between its own carbon atoms. Until now, this required marathon runs at giant synchrotron facilities. The Göttingen group instead used a powerful lab-based soft X-ray light source that fires ultra-short pulses, combined with a redesigned algorithm that needs far less data. First author Dr. Wiebke Benecke notes that the same approach could soon enable stroboscopic videography, letting us watch these wave functions evolve on femtosecond timescales, 1/4 of a second, and reveal how molecules adapt to light, electronic or chemical changes at the scale of just a few atoms. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, hype, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.